5 basic steps to deep clean hardwood floors. Who doesn't like hardwood floors? This is easily the go-to choice for many people, and for good reasons. For starters, you cannot deny the beauty, elegance, and comfort that this type of flooring brings to your home. That's not all. Every good cleaner also understands that hardwood floors are one of the easiest to clean and maintain. However, you should keep in mind that you could as easily destroy the mechanical integrity and visual appeal if not properly cared for. Therefore, we put together this video to teach you these 5 basic steps to deep clean hardwood floors. Of course, we will leave you a bonus tip at the end of this video, so keep watching. Number 1. Adhere to regular vacuuming. The first and most basic step is to remove dirt particles and dust as soon as you find them. A vacuum with a softer brush extension is the perfect tool for this phase. If you don't have a vacuum, a floor mop with a removable microfiber attachment is a great option. Microfibers act as suction for dust and dirt. Number 2. Inspect the flooring finish. This is a critical step to properly deep clean hardwood floors, because cleaning chemicals are designed for specific finishes. The good news is that you don't have to be a construction expert to choose the right floor finish. The 2 types of wood floor finishes are surface and penetrating finishes, in which wood species like oak, maple, and cherry are treated to avoid damage and make them easier to work with as household floors. To determine the type of finishing, first, a small amount of water should be poured on your floor. If the water gathers, you have a surface finish. If the finish absorbs quickly into the wood, you have a penetrating finish. Finally, use the blunt knife to scrape a small section of the floor. A surface finished floor appears to be scraped off. A penetrating finish, on the other hand, dents, but does not scrape off. Number 3. Choose a specially formulated hardwood floor cleaner. If you know what kind of finish your floor has, you can easily determine what kind of professionally formulated cleaning product to use on it to extend its longevity. You definitely want to avoid acidic cleaners that can dissolve the surface finishing. Before proceeding to the next point, please like and share this content. In the section below, leave a comment. We will appreciate it. Please, watch till the end and enjoy a bonus point. Number 4. Mop in the direction of the grain of the floors in mind. It is common knowledge that water can destroy wood if left to soak. With that in mind, you have to be careful while mopping or deep cleaning hardwood floors. You want to use the least possible amount of water. Also, mopping should be done in the area of the floorboards. This eliminates streaks and allows the mop's fibers to grab dirt and dust stuck between the floors. Number 5. Use the right method to remove stains. Just as stains are different, so are the methods for removing stains. Keep in mind that the method for removing stains on a carpet might be different from that of a wooden floor. Be sure you are using the right stain removal method before you clean hardwood floors. Finally, here is your bonus tip. Make an effort to keep stains to a minimum. Above all, the best possible tip for prolonging the longevity of the wood is to keep stains away. While it is impossible to keep stains completely off, you can reduce the possibility to the bare minimum. For example, take off dirty shoes before entering your home. You can place a doormat to clean whatever dirt is stuck on your shoes before stepping inside. Another good trick is to place a rug beneath the dining table to collect any food stains. It is very easy to clean hardwood floors and keep them shining for generations to come. To do this, you must know the right method, cleaning agent, and instruments to use. Most importantly, learn to keep stains at the bare minimum. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.